This is activity 2-4 on page 37, assigning a calendar to a project. We have the My HR manual file open. The Green City National Bank observes several federal holidays where no project work will be scheduled. Also, work is only scheduled for half a day on Election Day. You decide to add these holidays to a new base calendar and then assign that as the project calendar to make the schedule more accurate. Number 1, create a copy of the standard calendar. From our project tab on our ribbon, we're going to select the Change Working Time command. This opens up our dialog box, and we're going to select Create New Calendar. We're going to name this GCNB Standard Calendar. In the Make a Copy of field, we want to make sure that Standard Calendar is selected and click OK. This brings us back to our Change Working Time dialog box. And the For Calendar field should now be set to GC. Oh, I named this wrong actually. Let me just create a new one. GCN. My bad. GCNB. Standard Calendar. All right. GCNB calendar. Okay, and now number 2, we're going to add federal holidays as exceptions. We want to navigate the calendar to January of 2024. And we're going to select January 1st, which is a Monday. And down in our exceptions table, we want to select the first cell in our name field, and we're going to enter New Year's Day here and press Tab. New Year's Day is added as an exception, and the selected date is entered in both the start and finish fields for us. We're also going to add the following exceptions. We want September 2nd, 2024. And that's going to be Labor Day. And then November 5th, 2024, which is a Tuesday. That's Election Day. Tab over to enter that. And number 3, set a recurrence pattern. In the exceptions table, we're going to select Labor Day. And towards the right, we're going to hit our Details button. And in the Details for Labor Day dialog box, in our Recurrence Pattern section, which is here, we want to select the Yearly Radio button. We're going to select the first Monday of September. And the End After Radio button we want selected. And we're going to change the number of occurrences from 1 to 5. So this allows our project to end after 5 years. We can click OK to exit from here and save those changes. And you can see now in the finish column, the finish date for Labor Day is the only one with a different year now, which would be September 4th of 2028. Number 4, change the working time of Election Day. In our exceptions table, we're going to select the Election Day row and click on our Details button. And in the Details for Election Day dialog box, we're going to select the Working Times radio button. And in the Working Times table, we're going to select our second row, which is 1 and 5 p.m. And you're going to hit your Delete key on your keyboard. So it's going to remove that second row, and now only the morning hours of Election Day are considered to be working time. We can click OK to save this. And we can click OK from our Change Working Time dialog box as well. Now we still have to assign our GCNB standard calendar for our project calendar. So we're going to go up to the Project tab of our ribbon and select our Project Information command. And in the Project Information for My HR Manual dialog box, from our Calendar dropdown, now I got to make sure I select the right one because I did spell the wrong one at first, but we should have GCNB Standard Calendar. Select that, and we can click OK from here. So now GCNB is set as our project calendar with those exception dates that we have added for holidays and working times. Now we can save our changes to My HR Manual. I'm going to go up to my Quick Access toolbar and select my Save button. And we can close out of our file. File and close.